Hello, it's Koko Cooks channel. The festive season is coming and I propose you to cook some roast beef. Now, roast beef is a very simple dish for the whole family. It's as simple as 1, 2, 3. And for the roast beef we will need, well, first of all we will need a great beef cut. And to make an amazing gravy we will need some carrots, some celery, 1 onion, 10 cloves of garlic, and just a bit of rosemary. Let's start and see. So first we start with the meat. We need to braise this meat. Olive oil in, the meat in. Salt, pepper, turn. Oh, nice color. Once every side is closed, we set it aside. We throw onion in, carrots in, celery in, garlic in, rosemary in, and we mix. So the reason to do that is only one thing, to make sure that all the veggies sucked all the meat juices. Then we put everything into something that we're gonna bake it in, and we put our beautiful meat in. We're taking this into the oven, 180 degrees for 1 hour. With the miracle of time, we have this baby. So what we have to do now, take the meat away. Here, looks nice. Meat's supposed to rest for about 1 hour. Take the rosemary away. Now what we do, we add 1 spoon of flour and we mix it a bit. Now add half a liter of broth. Now we need to press all the veggies down. Let's press them. What we do next is we take a sieve and we put everything we have into our saucepan. This is what we should have. We simmer this for about half an hour and we get a perfect gravy. As we can see, with the miracle of time, it's reduced by half, and we can also take all the scummy part from the top. Once you've done that, you can cool it down and then ready to serve. This is what we have in the end. Try a little test with the gravy. Damn, I can cook good. This was amazing. Now this meat is terribly good. It's horrifyingly good. And this you can serve for from 4 to 6 people, and it's amazing. So total preparation time was 1.5 hour max. And one great and kind of lazy recipe to feed your family over the holidays, and it's going to be even better on the second day. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you did like this video, hit the like button and subscribe. If you didn't like this video, hit the dislike button and you will never see me again. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you. Bye.